how excited are we to kick off the global tour for Citadel right here in the hometown, Mumbai.
It's the first time people outside of the inner circle are going to watch the show, and I'm nervous because there's a lot that's gone into the show, and I just hope that people love it as much as we do.
Well, this is the first premiere. That's why it's different. This is the first one. Very excited to share this with you. It's been a long time coming, and I'm glad that you guys are the first ones to get to see it.
We're going to be traveling the whole world after this, but I've gotten the luck and the good luck from the millions in my country, and I'm going to take that luck with me everywhere that I go, as I always do. So it's very exciting for me.
We are so privileged that we are actually hosting this in Auntie Mumbai. This show is got one of the best creators from around the world working on it, the best minds in global entertainment.
Give it up for Richard Madden and Priyanka Chopra Jonas!
Kicking off this incredible world tour of Citadel in my home city, taking all the best wishes from my people, I think will be very lucky for us. So thank you so much for being here and being one of the first few people in the world to see this show.
I love first times of things, and it's the first time we're getting to share it with everyone, so thank you for being part of this with us.
Wish us luck. Thank you, guys.
What can the audiences expect? Lots of big action, so hold on to your popcorn. You're in for a really fun ride.
The action is fantastic, the plot is fantastic.
Show is a mile a minute, everything is a mile a minute, doesn't leave you time to think. Priyanka Chopra has kicked ass.
Sleek action show with amazing action choreography.
I think it has that huge global sweep that you need for a big spy franchise.
The whole time I was just like,
The scale is insane.
there was not a minute where it sort of lost you. That is something I kind of go in expecting from the Russo brothers.
It's very well made and really looking forward to the rest of the episode.
Guys, watch Citadel. You won't regret it.